Here I've got a OnePlus 60 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down and pick security and lock screen. Scroll down one more time and under device security you will notice fingerprint, so just open it and now tap on next. It's time to add some backup to your fingerprint, so once you are not able to use a fingerprint or you want someone else to unlock your device, he or she will be able to do it with the pattern, PIN code or password. So let me pick, for example, PIN code. Now enter a PIN code which has at least 4 characters. If you would like to confirm the PIN without tapping the acceptation mark, you can unclick it here. I will do it next. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, confirm. And finally decide if you would like to see all notification content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive content, or you won't see notification at all. I will hide sensitive content, tap on done, and now you have to re-enter your fingerprint after each replacement of the protective film to ensure the availability of your fingerprint. So just tap on next and keep tapping over here. So I'll do it with my left hand. So just keep tapping until your fingerprint is fully added. You just have to press and make your finger cover the fingerprint identification area, the fingerprint. Now tap on next. Just get the edge information of your fingerprint, so you just have to keep tapping a bit longer. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. You can add another, but I will just leave mine. So as you can see, from now on, you won't be able to unlock your device just by swiping. You have to enter the PIN code. So let me show you with this PIN code or with the fingerprint. So just tap and that's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.